Okay, so now another case. Okay, there's an active current inactive. We need to make an active file. And what happened if we lose an active file? Will it stop the database? This is the active files group 2, so let's need to do quickly because it will become inactive. Oh, file. Okay, the group 2 is this one. Go to 2. Okay, so let's erase it. And again. What we see here, it is small and not that small. Did we issue the right command? 02 small is small, and I believe that this one is maybe not using. Just let me check this. Okay, 022. It was a mistake. So okay, we need to do it. Zero. That's right. No, erase it. Okay, and once more, this one as well. And this one. So okay, we are sure that we erase it because there is another. There is a file that in fact is not used. I believe this is this one. It was added by mistake, or in fact, when I simply wrote by Java program. Okay, so will it work now? Okay, seems to be fine. Seems to be fine. Seems to be fine. Up and again. So we have survived. And let's see in the. Okay. So again, nothing happened. In fact, it will be more interesting maybe in the next episode. We need to do the following test. We need to do some transaction and then destroy the active radio log, and then we shall see if the transaction is still recorded in the database. Okay, we'll see in the next episode. We see that there is no problem here to lost an active reader log, so maybe this is not completely true. Okay, but here everything happens. Okay, in the next episode we will explain more details. Thanks for watching.